Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create an EC2 instance using Ubuntu. So once you have logged into the AWS console, you can select the compute and click on the EC2. So here we are going to use the launch instance, and here enter the name of the EC2 instance. Okay, and under the application and the OS images, I'm going to select the Ubuntu. So I'll be using the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, which is the long-term support image. And this is also available for a free tier eligible. And here it is the 64-bit architecture. And here we can see the username, which is Ubuntu. And here under the instance type, you have to select the size of this instance. So this is T2.micro, which is eligible for free tier. And here you get 1 vCPU and 1 gig memory. And if you want to go with a different type, you can choose based on the requirement. And you can also compare the instance type using this link. And next, under the key pair, I'm going to create a new key pair. Enter the key pair name. EC2 instance. It is going to be the .pem format. Okay, and click on create key pair. Okay, so the key pair has been created. Next, under the network settings, this is the VPC. And here I'm going to create a new security group, and I'll be allowing the SSH so that we can SSH to this instance, and it will be allowed from anywhere unless you specify any set of IP address. Okay, and this is the storage part. Here it is 8 gig GP3 root volume. Okay, so next you can click on launch instance. Please wait while we launch your instance and do not close your browser. Okay, successfully initiated launch of instance. Okay, click on it. Okay, so the instance state is running, and this is the public IP address, and this is the DNS. Okay, now let's connect to this VM using the SSH that we have downloaded. Okay, so that private key that we have downloaded. Okay, so the key pair that we have downloaded is under downloads, and this is the key pair. So we need to change the permission chmod 400. Okay, so now to connect to that instance, we can SSH -i and then followed by the key pair, and then the username would be Ubuntu, and copy that public IP address. Okay, so now we have successfully logged into the EC2 instance, which is running with the Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see in the next one. Thank you.